So in this Microsoft Word tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to read aloud text here in Microsoft Word. So the first thing you have to do is obviously open up a Microsoft Word document. Once that is done, you then have to go ahead and type in some text. So for this example, my apologies, I will type in "This is text being read aloud." Just like that. And the next thing you have to do is obviously go up to the top here to where it says home. I want you to slide all the way to the right until you come across references right here. Press on the references tab just like this. And once you're here, sorry, not this tab. I want you to go to where it says review. My apologies here. And on the top here, it says editor, read aloud, etc. It goes without saying now, simply go ahead and press on read aloud. So if you were to highlight the text right here, then press on read aloud. 1 second. Not sure if you could hear that, but it actually did say this is text being read aloud. I'll play it one more time. I'll just highlight it and play it one more time. So I'm not sure if you guys can hear that, but this basically does, whatever text you have highlighted, it's going to read this text aloud to you. So you guys can sort of review it for yourself or whatever the case may be. It is completely up to you. So pretty straightforward, pretty simple. This is how to read text aloud here on Microsoft Word. Thanks again for watching and I hope this video helps.